Hello and welcome back. Alright, I have gone onto my toolbox and I found other bits. This one is a Phillips. It might be just a little bigger. There are different sizes of Phillips. And I'm very hopeful that this might get a good thing going here. I've really got to stand up. I have not done many of these. I've certainly never had this much trouble. And that's not doing it. Alright, I'm going to switch to another bit and just see. No, that's too big. Alright, last one. Even if I could just get one of them, that would help. It's just not happening. Alright, let me look again to reassess this whole thing. And now, go get the screws on what's the stopper thing. Okay, I got one. They too have this basically glue on them. And once again, this isn't going to make any difference. Did it come? No, it's just spinning. You know what? It is rare that I would walk away from something such as this and just say, I'm done with it. But this is one of those times. I'm going to write something on the very inside with a Sharpie. And I'm going to say, damn it. I really did want to try and see about the alignment, but I just can't. I just can't. And it's funny, over here is another drive mechanism. And unfortunately, oh, okay. I remember this. This was part of some weird contraption that had, oh no, I'm not getting involved in that. That was part of a drive that had strangeness going on with it. It was, I think it was one that had the, it's off, right? Yes. The 21-second copy thing or whatever it was. So it's got extra wires and things and stuff. And no. So I'm going to get this back on. turn the drive back on. There is no disk in it at the moment. So I'll put this disk in. And I will run the performance test. Why? Well, because I can. So it should not, nothing bad should have happened to this. Nothing at all. I think what I need to do now is, as I look around here, I don't see any mechanisms, just handy. I don't. Because it really needs to have, I mean, right now, they have my other drive. It's working. And if we don't happen to bump into each other until they get back from overseas again, it's, you know, it's no big thing. There, I do still have some of the discs that I checked out that did seem to be actually readable. But if I could find another, just the drive mechanism to pop in here without having to cannibalize something else, that would be okay. So anyway, I'll let this run. I have all the parts, I know where everything is, of the varying drives here. There's the top of this and here, yeah, it's all fine. So I think what I might do is go to the pool room, but also maybe to the basement, see if I can just see. I remember I had some other drive mechanisms, and if I had one and I was sure it was fine, I would just put it in and be done with it. Anyway, as I said before, I'm getting kind of hot, kind of aggravated, because this has not gone well. It just has not gone well. Anyway, so I'm sure this is fine. I'm sure everything is fine. There's no point in sitting and watching this whole thing run it through its thing. I don't know, it's almost done. And I will go in search of another drive mechanism. I shall. So, thanks for coming.